It's 3 in the morning, I can't sleep, so let me show you the tools I bought yesterday for $100. I've always wanted a rolling storage unit like this, and I saw this deal, and I believe the cases themselves almost run $100, $200 by themselves, and these things have some tools in it, so I thought it was a steal of a deal. But let's actually check out the innards. So the top box here comes off, and you can see it just has some hardware, which, you know, huge fan of. Wood screws, drywall screws, and then we have this light here that takes a DeWalt battery. You can charge anything that takes USB. And this rolling tote. Just needs a good cleaning. Now for what I was really excited about was this brushless DeWalt trimmer. Pop the latch, get it in place, and I did notice that this top box is missing a latch, but it's not the end of the world. I mean, unless you're flipping this thing upside down, who cares? At least it has one. Okay, let's see what we got. Obviously, if you're a DeWalt fan, lots of DeWalt tools. Stapler. Oh, I didn't notice this in the picture, but that's kind of cool. A paint sprayer. Oh, that's cool. See if that's any good. Cheap little saw. Would wrap your cables, cords, more screws. Looks like a whole bunch of Husky screwdrivers. And maybe we'll have a full set. A nice little clamp. Scrapers. Welding clamp. What is this? Gotta look that up. More screwgees. So a nut driver. Okay, anything else here that you can't tell? Let's see, screwdrivers, chisel. Chisel. It's a nice chisel. Where's that from? Oh, Pittsburgh. Still nice. Scraper, some more screwdrivers, and a cleaning tool for a pipe. Bottom box. We have someone to wrap this cable. That's nice. Another scraper, a drywall knife, drywall tape. It's like a bag for a welding helmet. Okay. Some connectors, electrical connectors. Ooh, DeWalt charger. Hopefully that works. Some orbital sander discs. Little sledge. Knife. Vice grips. Husky. Screwgees. A light. Duracell. Little plumbing socket for cartridges. Channel locks. Nice little pipe wrench. Made in the USA. There you go. Another pipe wrench. pry tool, another chisel, ooh, DeWalt drill bits, knife, drywall knife, C-clamp. Oh, is this a magnet and a light? Oh, look at that, a magnetic light. That's really cool. That's worth the money right there. All right, what else? Slip joint pliers. More tools. PEX couplers, CPVC. Some plumbing fittings. Little level caulk. Mini hammer from Harbor Freight. I gotta look up the actual name of this kind of wrench, but obviously it's like an adjustable wrench from Husky. Yeah, more Husky screwdrivers, corner trowel, copper pipe, some more bits. Ooh, brand new copper cutting, a Milwaukee handle probably for a drill, and some various other little tools. Little blade. And yeah, here's the breakdown. Husky tools, paint sprayer, screwdrivers, couple hand tools, nice little collection. Miscellaneous hardware, lots of DeWalt tools, and a few power tools. A few more Husky tools on the left, as well as some Craftsman, various chisels, scrapers, and putty knives, and some miscellaneous tools, and some Milwaukee tools. And this is the last of it. I even found this portable charger in there. So now here's my question for you all. How much do you think this lot was worth? How much would you pay for it? I'm just genuinely curious what you guys would estimate the value of this at. I have my idea in my head, but I'm very curious what y'all think, especially in the different parts of the country that you live, or even the world. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next tool haul video.